I'm Luke Hernandez, and this is my active buzzer alarm clock with a photoresistor. Here is my circuit. I have the active buzzer right here attached to ground, and then the Arduino. I have the LED, and I have the photoresistor. In my code, I initialize the light pin, LED pin, and buzzer pin in their respective slots in the Arduino. I have the same threshold as the other buzzer alarm clock, and from there the code is relatively similar. It goes down, and I have the delay time map the light level and the threshold, and it goes no more delay than 500 milliseconds and no smaller than 50. And then the digital write will turn the LED on for 100 milliseconds, and then it will turn it off again between 500 and 50 milliseconds. And then if the light level is too low, it will turn the buzzer and the LED off and gradually slow down until the light and buzzer are off. Now if I upload the code, as you can see, the buzzer and light start clicking and flashing, and I can put my hand in front to slow it down and eventually stop. And then on the other end, I can use a flashlight to make it speed up.